It took me a while to realize that Goa has a lot to offer. A lot, more than just beaches. On this day, I ventured out to explore a few hidden spots in Goa, which are less known to the people. And what I witnessed was totally unreal. Hey there, believe it or not, this is Goa.
Today again we have got up very early. It's almost like 6 o'clock and we are leaving for the shoot location, which is almost like 1 hour drive from here. And today it's going to be very interesting because there is going to be a local joining us. He's going to show us around some hidden spots out here in Goa. So if you want to check out some hidden spot in Goa, stick till the end.
Yo, I'm living. Okay.
Keep living.
I'm
This is Sai. Hey Sai,
Hi.
what's up? And that's
Vibhuti.
Vibhuti. So where are we going right now?
Nimusga.
Nimbusgaon.
Yeah.
So right now we are
Nimbus
going to Nimbusgaon, which is
Nimusga. It is a mosque.
it's a mosque.
Built by Shivaji Khan.
Alright guys, so we are at this amazing place which is called Namazgaon. This is in Bicholim area in Goa. So we are actually exploring all the offbeat places here in Goa. And yeah, our friend Sai recommended this one place. It actually looks pretty good from here. It's like all foggy around and you have like a good view. So, and there's some history attached to this place. Let's ask Sai more about it. What's up, man?
Yeah, she will explain you better other than me.
The story behind it, we were under the Portuguese rule,
Right.
and what happened during that time, some Maratha rulers and the Rajput ruler wanted to capture the Goa.
Right.
So they came here and they tried with the
Portugal.
not as a Portugal. They tried with some ruler that I'll get back to you. I forgot the name.
Alright.
Okay, and then what happened in that fight? They lost the battle, but then they created one treaty with the Portuguese and the Maratha. And the later what happened? The Muslim ruler built this mosque for the
Right.
Akbar, because that time the Akbar became the empire of the whole India.
So now we have reached this mysterious place where we'll have to trek down and we'll reach this Pandava cave. Like people call it Pandava cave, but then nobody knows it yet if it is built by Pandavas or is it from the Buddhas. Yeah. बहुत ही डोप लोकेशन है, चारों तरफ पेड़ ही पेड़ हैं, चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी है, देर आर पाम ट्रीज, देर आर ये तो सुपारी वाला पत्ता है, बट दिस टेस्ट लाइक मिंट. Oh fuck, this is not kidding, this is supadi. You should definitely try this out, not kidding.
Show me.
It's tasty, like
Are you
seriously.
serious?
I'm not kidding.
you
Initially I
serious?
thought, yeah, this is tasty.
हाँ, जब 16th सेंचुरी में जब महाराज छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज आए थे यहाँ पे, तो
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज.
हाँ, तो वो टाइम पे गोवा में एंटर करने के बाद यहाँ पे आए थे. यहाँ से अंदर जाके सप्तकोटेश्वर टेम्पल की वहाँ पे केव्स है, यहाँ से शुरू होती है, वहाँ पे खत्म होती है, वो 7-8 किलोमीटर की कुछ है.
अच्छा,
तो वहाँ पे वो जाके उसने देव मंदिर की स्थापना की थी, वो रीबिल्ड किया था
किसने स्थापना करी थी?
शिवाजी
महाराज ने. और यहाँ पे पांडवास नहीं रहते थे?
वो रहते थे पहले.
ओह, तो देखो गाइस, डोंट होल्ड मी फॉर दिस. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि यहाँ पर पांडवास रुके थे या नहीं रुके थे तो किसी को भी नहीं पता है. बट मेरे को यहाँ पे लकड़ियाँ दिख रही हैं, तो कोई तो रुका था यहाँ पे. मुझे नहीं पता कौन, बट बहुत सही जगह है, ज़रूर आना है यहाँ पे. और बाकी थोड़ा बहुत घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, शॉट लेंगे, फिर वापस जाएंगे. Alright guys, we have now reached this waterfall called as Herbilim waterfall and हमारा प्लान है आज 2 waterfall करने का. टाइम बहुत ही कम बचा है और जगह बहुत अच्छी है. तो प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग आज 2 लोकेशन और जाना था. एक ब्रिज है बहुत डोप सा, और एक है वाटरफॉल ही है, वो भी वहाँ से क्लिफ जंप कर सकते हैं. बट अभी टाइम हो चुका है, घर वापस जाना है क्योंकि ऑफिस है. एंड नॉट अ गुड फीलिंग, बट हाँ, ऑफिस का काम भी करना पड़ता है.
And that's all from this video. I hope you all had fun coming along. Keep sharing the happy vibes, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, peace.
आराम से
बस बस बस
राइट है. ओके.